Hello guys! Today 15 of Restream of Rebirth. Turn down a little bit. See? This is once again the song that is louder, not so loud, louder, not so loud. So let's start again with what I did off stream. I did some bug fixing, which means there's a reloaded song instead of this. Okay. So no matter when we go to the website, there will never be an API issue. Now I'll tell you why. First, I fixed all of the API errors. So if we don't get the data we want, we say -1. And further, this should fix everything what I did, because we have now a cached API, which means in the database we have all the data is live, Mixer follows, Twitch follows, YouTube subs, everything that we get from APIs with a valid for n seconds and the last refresh. So now it's at 13:53 and stuff like that. We would refresh now, see that pages match much faster because it did not refresh. So only if the data in here could be old because it's older than 60 seconds or 120 seconds for the follows and sub counters, then it will actually use the API and get the information, else we just read from the database. So in here, for instance, we use cache data get value with the database connection called isLive. So we want the isLive value. And if it's not, we will call schedule is Twitch live, which is our actual API call basically. And cache data, it just checks if the data in the database is still valid. So if the last refresh is less than X seconds, if it's still valid, we just use the value from the database, and else we call like schedule is Twitch live, and then we get a new value from the API. If the value is not -1, so if it was a valid API call, then we update the cache with the new value and the last refresh, that is now. So if there would be an issue with the API, we'll just show the old value. No, we don't actually. So if this value would be -1, we still want to show the old value, which is this code. And if there's a valid value, we update it in the database, we give it back. And if there would be an issue, we'll use the old value. The timestamp won't change, so the next time it's refreshed, it will try again to reach the API until we get a valid response someday. Yeah, so if you refresh now, because 120 seconds means 2 minutes, if we would refresh now, we get correct data, and we will see in the database what the last refresh was right now. If there would be an issue, it would still save that value, use 9:13:53, and the next time it would try again to get the right data. So that works super good. Maybe we should upload it as well. And what I'm gonna do is I will instantly commit that, because it's super nice that it works. So salt of salt. Origin good. Yeah, so today We want to finish the audience goals and maybe the donation usage, and then we could already start with the notification system, which is in the beginning just like the watch site, but with follow buttons, stuff like that. And later on we will offer something like email notifications. But we will see. Maybe we will just push that back for now and be sure that all the other features are working, which would be the most important thing, I guess. Good. So for now, we have Ask TMS is working, schedule is working, and the audience goals for now just show YouTube 195 at 200 subs, Twitch 35 of 100 followers, Mixer 23 of 100 followers. Yeah, something that we did not implement yet is if we don't have a running goal, like if we say 1 here, then it would not consider that anymore. It would probably say 35 off. So we have to take care about of that. But I guess we will just do a YouTube card, a Twitter card, a Mixer card. And if there is a goal, we will display this goal, else we will just go no goals for now or something, I don't know. I think that's the best idea for now. Yeah, I think we will use quite much the schedule card as a template. Here will be the platform logo, and then yeah, amount of followers or subs right now, and yeah, good. So panel printer, print goal card. Okay, we need the schedule because there's the schedule card. Okay. Super long. Yeah, just copy this for now. And in the audience goals, where is print goal card? There we are. Doors. Just move that out of the way for now. And we paste the code in here. This is the best feature ever. So glad this is in now. So we don't need the target container because this is just used for hiding stuff. Furthermore, we will always have 3 next to each other except for access and call. We will do them below each other. And we will have a goal card container. And here a goal card. Oh, this is old. So what we want to hear is thumbnail is that in File Explorer open. Should be in resources platforms. Yes. Resources platforms. And the platform name and .pm. I think it's p. Yes. So that's the thumbnail we're gonna use. And below that we're gonna be like, I don't know. Let's leave it for now. Just placeholder text. And comment this out. Then we have to do S file. So let's open the schedule file. Here we need the schedule called the thumbnail. Ah, the container is just for hiding. Okay, so we don't need that either. Our new file. Paste that in here, and this is gold. And basically the thumbnail will be the same for both. Like this. And then goals.css. That. href is styles / goals.css. Good. Then index styles and script. Hello. Maybe a little bit big. But that is okay. On smaller devices. Oh. That is not good. What is happening? Oh, not good. Schedule. End of type 3 and 4 will be here. That should not be here. Oh. Because there are multiple, but with the hide on not live. Oh. That's not good. There's CSS selector. CSS selector. Class, but not other class. With the not, that could work. So schedule card container not dot hide on not live. No idea if this works, but I hope. Good work. Oh, maybe it's just not updated yet. Because CSS files are a bitch, or the cache is a bitch. Yeah. Ah, fuck. Wrong. That's a problem. So maybe we have to do this. Or we remove this again. And we say something like, where is that? Hide. Yeah, what we can do here is not only do this. Whoops. Not only do this, but in the same moment say hide on not live, but remove class. Schedule card container. Because if it's hidden, we don't care about this anymore. I'm gonna do the same here with this one. Dot remove class schedule card container. Then the class will be removed and should not be considered anymore in the CSS selector. Yes. Oh. What? What? We need the schedule card container. Because if we do this, the script won't run anymore that hides it correctly. So maybe here we could do something. Okay, the plan is to make schedule card container visible. Or correct. And use those. And just be like, every visible query get all class not. Okay. After that, we'd be like dot schedule card container column visible dot add class with the new name. Oops. So if this is schedule card we need to take in consideration, it will get an own class and we do things automatically. And basically we could just move that right after this. It should work, hopefully. Why is it still showing this? Oh, maybe. Oh, correct. Dual card container. Every schedule card container that is still visible gets the class schedule card container correct. Is this correct? Does it say we are online? No, this live is false. This is super weird. So we have one. But they stay both here. Except for here. Why? The second. Why does this say 3? This is not the third. Schedule card container correct. Not the third, this is the second. What? That makes no sense. Not the third. Why does this get the correct? Definitely get not -1, but we get 0, which says hide I'm not live, hide. Is this working now? Another schedule card container that is visible. But why is this visible? That should be hidden. So this has to hide on not live. That correct? No, it hasn't. Why? Why does this not have hide on not live? Oh wait, is this not a live stream? It is a live stream. So started, it definitely started, and it is a live stream. And it's running more than 1 hour. Oh, it's not. Because it's running for a day and no hours, probably. Oh. So we definitely have to add in here. How do we get the day difference again? No, what the fuck? Wanted to copy that. If hours running is 1 or not same day. Okay, now this works, but this is still an issue. We have with exactly 1 schedule card container correct. How is this the third of type? It makes no sense. That makes no sense. So this is now all working perfect. But the CSS is completely stupid. The way to reload a CSS file or rerun a CSS file? Rerun file. This is super weird. Hmm. Super weird. Yeah, ignore that for now. I don't know how to solve that. That makes no sense at all. But because it's never done back. Because it is deferred some time. What? That makes no sense either. But yeah, maybe we need to just say it's the first of the type, we do display block. It's the second, do display block. The same with the first three. Okay. Go all of them. Okay. Probably will break the hide on life now. Okay, that works. Maybe it's just getting not enough information. Somehow. I think in the audience goals we can always do this 3 by side. So what do we do here? We do E currently then $current. Then the followers subs thing. Oops. This could be text sender as well. And of P. Maybe look that currently and make this kind of strong. And I think there is like a footer or something. Schedule footer. Just call it the footer. And here we do if goal footer. Not goal footer. Because I think that draws a line. Work. Ready, write something good, so we think. Oh, it looks good. So. Maybe this, if we have an actual goal amount, because it could be that we have -1 or no goal amount. If goal amount not equal, then add footer. Next goal is but goal amount, then a space, and again follow with subs. Next goal is blah blah blah. Then below just okay. Then let's refresh our database. Goals for now is reaching 250 here. And we don't have a goal here or there for now. Whoa, typing. Setup video. Both my so that should work. But we should really have goals, else it would. This looks so empty. I mean, we could, on the other hand, we'll have an else part here, like for us. Now, no gold numbers plus just growing in size and entertaining people is still something like that. Oh, 95. Oh, obviously. But I have a goal for Twitch, which is gonna be great. Twitch at 50. Twitch exclusive Beat Saber. Because I want to do Beat Saber stream anyhow. Maybe instead of that, let's just do strong here to emphasize again. Okay, then it looks completely different. Yeah. Let's rename this a little bit. Okay, I think that is okay. So we just need to do the footer. Maybe we do these as links to get to the pages where you can follow stuff. Footer, card footer. Help reaching goals and unlock the rewards by following or subscribing on these platforms. Simply click hard on top and we will bring you there. Okay. How does that look if we do double footer? Like, and that here, end of div, do another div, class goal footer. How would that look? Just wondering. That even looks better somehow. I think I'll leave it like that. I mean, no one is here to tell me otherwise, so haha. Okay, so next step is make these like links. And first, I'm gonna do a small break, then we see us again in 5 minutes. So, welcome back. Today's Rebirth stream. God damn it. Fuck you, green screen. Okay. What we did today so far is the audience goals. So now we have YouTube 195 subscribers. We get that with the API. Next goal is 250 subscribers. Rewards, blah blah blah. And in the bottom, help reaching the goals to unlock the rewards by following or subscribing on these platforms. Simply click a card on top and we'll bring you there. That is the part that is missing right now. So we wanna have clickable. And what we wanna check in the meantime is how does it look on mobile so far? Because that is never easy. Gaming work in progress. Okay. Okay. Yeah, what I saw was not that good. So what we definitely want to do is in the schedule make this 12 and 12. Which means we'll have two cards below each other, which is okay though. And in the audience goals, we really want to have where's the card? There it is. Here we want to have 12 and 12 too. Or maybe 8 and 12, and it will be justified. How did that work? Food grab justify. Let's use the grid system. There was somewhere justify content standard. Basically, we could put that in every row. So now this should be, if we hit F12. Oh, we definitely need in these ones margin top and bottom. In the gold card. Basically, we just say let's fix it. And that should work. I don't think it's in yet. Or it's super weird. It is in. Because it's not the gold card, but it's the gold container or something. Undo that. And audience gold. Yeah, gold container. And here we do margin bottom 5 pick up 5. That should not interfere with the grid system. Hopefully. Yeah. I mean, there's now a bigger gap than, for instance, here, but it's barely noticeable. Yeah, looks good. And what I was thinking about, maybe if it's getting too small, we should do a small menu up here. Because I doubt that this is looking super good on, yeah. Nah, it's understandable on the phone to look at that. That's okay. Okay, then let's make the boxes clickable. We can check how we did it in something is clickable as a whole thing. Gotta ask tms-1. This code, I think it's just an href around the whole thing, was it? Script ask ms. There should be, yeah. Print the stack. Not so obvious, I think. That's what we used. Alright, the whole thing in A. Where's the goals? Oh, I mean it. I'm smart. Dollar link is, by the way, we don't need that anymore. Link is just a hashtag in the beginning. If platform to else if platform is mixer pitch here. Else do we do these? So, and we're gonna do here. Yes. A, and here we need not so obvious. I hope I spelled it right. So obvious. That's obvious. I think should fit. That is quite obvious, to be fair. What if we just put image in? The href is $link. Target is underscore blank. This is at the A. Of this end of A. Link. panel print to help reaching goal. Following, simply click a logo, pop, and we bring you there. So now we just need to put in the those audio go. There we are. So dollar link. Pitch follow link. It's just Twitch buttons and stuff. Okay, then we just redirect them to the Twitch. Twitch.tv. On Mixer, do they have a follow thing? Okay, then we just go to the website as well. tms-gaming. Can't I just follow? Oh yeah, I can. Okay, that works. My cat is crying around. That's how it works, double clicking. But for YouTube there is one, I know that. At least there was. I need my channel URL. And let's just exactly. Do we use this? YouTube channel, blah blah blah, the ID, and then subconf like that. Yeah. Channel, blah blah. Confirmation. So let's try that. So here we go Twitch, here we go Mixer, and here we come to this. Nice. Good. That means audience goals are done. The donation usage is the next one. Here we need database structure, get highest priority donation from B. display usage per item plus progress and no operators. Yeah. Okay. Good. New one. We need donation underscore users. Here we'll have name, archer 50, iteration, if a general, gonna be the primary index. Okay. The amount as an integer. Oh, no, not as an integer. As a decimal. And yeah, I think that's quite it. So here we'll just add and add and add and add the stuff that people donated. So let's start right away by inserting something. Because we have our dude drive game mount. Oh, and 0, that's not good. Have to change that. Decimal is, let's be optimistic, 7. Someone donate something. And 2. So that will be in euro, by the way. So insert, we have our dude drive game. It out. Okay. Easy. Log in. Let's make so tms-gaming custom commands, yes. Top donator 2501. Okay, we can disable again. 2501. That's a point. Okay. And basically who we have as well is the only girl with, let me think now. It's $1.99 for the handbrake, and she donated like 10 or something. So basically 200. That's a lot of money. Oof. So let me check as well if two. 201 12 So who we have as well is Miyamoto with 1 and Honor 2. Oh, we have Dragon Power with 1. Dragon Games 1. Okay. Website? We can have now an own website on. That's bad. A good thing that is on my plan anyhow. To update that once again. Okay. Yeah. Good. Then we will start. We'll do here diff class is row justify content sender, and in here we will echo of the panel printer the donation usage fee, end of that, end of diff, and comment end of donation usage card. So what will we need in here? We will definitely need food once script the donation USD, and in here we'll link rel dash the graphic styles image the donation. Okay. Yeah, so first of all, donation usage.php and the new for styles MSG. Okay, that is what we have, that is what we need. And in the panel printer, obviously we need as well public database as a parameter in here. Source. Yeah, we will start quite as always. So diff ID is donation class 12 card extender, and we have a div class card header text extender h1 class. I know I could copy that, but I don't want to type. Donation message 1 if as container if as row lined row vertical padding 10 style is margin right 0. Why is their margin right 0? No one knows. Then we have sent end of that card footer dot e diff so let's update that. Good. So the basic thing is already there. Nice. So, I want to have a card with the top donators, with top 3, like, yeah, 3 should be fine. Then I want to have a card for the next hardware thing, and a card for the next software thing. My cat is crying so much right now. Maybe in the hard and software cards we could be like, after that, next. Okay, so what we're gonna do for that is make a new one. Uses. We'll need an ID. No, we won't need it. We need hard soft. Or we just call it software, and it will be tiny int or boolean. That is the primary, and the title char 50. That is a primary as well. And basically we just title as primary, and we can do software here boolean. That is not a primary. Should work as well. Then we need price in decimal of 42, and we need current as decimal 42, and we need one more column, which will be donors as a varchar with 1,000, and in here we will be like latest user, comma, amount dot stub or amount dot part next user amount dot part, etc. So we will have like Noni Girl 50, Dragon Pow 20, so we can like have information who was part of that. I think that's a good idea. And we save that. Or we need an ID actually, because we have to like order it somehow. Or we just say, no, not insert, structure at beginning of table order. What? Or let's call it ID and make it auto increment. Save. Yes, I know. Drop title for now. ID auto increment. Save. Oh. Let's do it like that. And say this is primary. And now change this, and this is auto increment. Fuck's sake. So complicated. Then after ID, we insert title with a varchar of 200 and the UTF-8 collateration general. Finally. So complicated. Good. Okay. We should fill this now a little bit. Okay, title is... Okay, what is the next hardware that I want to buy? Basically, we want racing grade, which is not a software, and the price is actually on a back shifter. How's the club sport shifter? Really, they don't have that anymore in offer. Okay, let's go to fan attack. Change region, Europe. Where is the shifter? You kidding me? Shifters. There it is. Is that the one? Yeah. So 260 excluding shipping though. Shipping rates. Cluster should be zone 3. I like 10 euros. I would like that. And what was now the price? So 270 plus what I want as well is the RR game speeds. What was it? 270. 20 euros shipping. 30 to 70, 700. Earned plus 0, donors none. Out of range. Value for price? What? Eh. Oh, this includes the. We need to put 7 for this again. For up to 10,000 euros is possible. Because this includes it, so 4.2 is up to 99.99. I think here we have more than enough. Yeah, sure. So that was. Could actually calculate it. 409.85 plus 19 plus 269.99. 698. 698.84. Hello? 690. Eh? 6? 698.84. Fuck's sake, so complicated. So, and the next software gonna be Bombworks. It's a software, I guess it will be $49.99. Yeah, alter it to 0. Who cares? Fuck's sake. Oh, but what we need as well is after the title we need a thumbnail. We want to show a picture or something. RGR 500. No. I mean, yeah, but what I forgot is to change. Okay, both of them are Swedish. This and that I want to change. I don't want a Swedish. I want a this. Fuck's sake. Why is this Swedish? I don't know why. Yes, try to alternate. Who the fuck cares? Okay. Good. Okay. So let's make some pictures. Let's create it right away. Like that. Save it in downloads for now. Or these are complicated, they should be safe images. Resources. Save that for now, and the club sport shifter. Save images. Good. I'll edit that later. So that will be at I forgot again. Resources donation. Resources donation, and then the name is generation.png. Here, resource donation. Works. Okay. So donation usage, we have the database structure. Definitely. Okay. Then I'll do a break again. Oof. But we're doing really good progress today. Super. Ooh, that's a weird sound. Bye bye. So I'm back. I'm doing good. Things are working great. First time I'm able to do like API things. It works. Woo! 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 Oof. Tell ya. So, okay. So what we have now is we started with the donation stuff. And we want to get the data. So, in the donation usage, we need functions. First, we need function for... And that's not even on the watch page. Should I show you the watch page? I'll show you the watch page real quick. /watch question mark ID is 1. This is how it looks now. Green screen. Go with green screen. And it's super cool. Swoop. So this is now the plan. Because I tried to make a custom watch page, but yeah. It's not really possible to include or to embed the whole Twitch page or whole YouTube page. It's just shit. So there's now a toolbox. So in here there will be all the tools like play, soundboard and whatever. And people just can like watch on YouTube and have that thing open somewhere and just do the things. Which is, I guess, a good way to do it. The plan was to like embed the whole thing and have down here a footer where you can do all the stuff. I mean, I could theoretically open the website and insert a script that modifies YouTube to show it naturally, but yeah, but YouTube.com embed just embeds the string. There's no way to embed the chat without knowing the video ID. And then I wouldn't need to use the YouTube API again, and then it's limited and everything is... If you want to embed the chat, you need to do the whole authorization thing of people have to log in and stuff. It's just much too complicated. I think it's better that way. Or to insert a script that alters YouTube. Like things like vidIQ do and stuff like that. But I think this is okay way. Maybe I will do it one day with the infiltration, I call it. But that way it should work. Super weird that the images are not going purely to the thing on a certain size. Same with here with the black. Like there's 1 pixel margin or whatever. But actually there is no margin. So I don't understand. So, donation usage things. So, we want to make functions. Get top donators. And we need the database for it. And then we do db select from. What we want is everything. LR. Okay. Start from donation underscore users. I think it was the name. Users and uses. Oh god. This is already made to have typos in there. Definitely. The users, yeah, we're in the name and the amount, obviously. We have nowhere, but we have order by, which is by amount. Is it called amount? Yes. Descending, and we want to limit it to 3. And we're gonna get this as a result. And if result doesn't matter, that will never happen. Whoops. Return. Could just return this. Could we? Add PDF? Nope. It's dead. Okay. And we need a public static function get current software donation database, which is gonna be return db select from star. Then the donation uses where software is 1, order by ID ascending. We do completed thing in the uses. Guess it would be the best. Structure add and the end. It Boolean default is 0. NTLM hashes. What's that? Oh, is that safety things? There's some safety features, right? Oof. That does not sound too good. So where software is 1 and completed is 0, and we do that by ID ascending, so we get the lower first, and limit 1, then we get exactly 1, and we say 0, return the last one. Yeah. Authentication, yeah. Yeah. The hashes is basically to encrypt the passwords and stuff, right? Could be. So, and then we just copy that. One moment. So, I'm back. Just got a remote call, so to say. So, and here we need where software is 0, because here we want to have hardware. Hardware. Okay. Good. And then something like public static function get titles of next software donations db. That's super good. Fuck that. That's not good. The select run. We just want the title. I think I call it title. Yes. Stupid. Title from donation uses where software is 1 and completed is 0. By the ID ascending limit. I want to show the next 3. Basically, we could do more than title. Just like have the main thing as picture, and then more. We want to have the link to the video. Send me on Discord. That sounds super interesting. Limit for get data of next software donations. The way to say skip the first in my script. Bro. Ah. So how many to skip and then how many to get, right? Is this still open? So we do limit 1, 3. Thanks, dude. And I said we just don't want not only the title but everything again. And then this for hardware as well. For software is 0 and completely is 0. ID 3. Okay. Sounds good. So, final printer does that. And here we want to have donation usage, print up donator card, donators card, B. And donation usage, print software card, and hardware card with the Belte. Sounds definitely like Swedish or Scandinavian. So donation usage. So we need print update. This is, by the way, the best fucking feature of Windows 10 new updates. I need that, I need that, and I need that. Public, static, function. Print top donators card. So here we have a source. And we return that source. Then need print software card. Need there. Software card. Hardware. Okay. Go to audience goals because in there we have. Where's the print card? Print goal card. Sideboard. Okay. Sounds good. I mean, the Scandinavian guys are always super lightweight. I mean, you think about music generation for game jams. The Honolulu and stuff like that. They have a lot of software that is super lightweight. It's super nice. copy that for now. Go to donation usage and paste that in there. Ah, I deleted the footer. I want a footer. Let's leave it like this. Rely on virtual. What? Okay. What did I want to do? Here we don't need the container since we won't. Why do we have a gold container then? Ah, yeah, that's why. Okay. Donation container. Donation card. Do we need a link? Oh. Image fluid. Thumbnail, yes. But we will use a static source, which is resources / donation / top.png. Yeah. True. But it's never a bad thing to know more. On the other hand, you can get really mixed. Like if I program PHP and then C# and then Java, oh my god, get it. Then I have a look at Lua or Python even, and then completely broken. Then nothing works anymore. So we need the top donators, whatever, which we get by saying donation usage, get top donators with the database. Puzzle support. Donation usage. Okay. Yeah, I need to make things later. Definitely. Okay, how do we do this now? Probably something like top donator. A break after that. And then we have the name and the amount. Donator's name. And then euro dot donator. Oh. 0. So we just moved the top footer now in here. Top footer. Dolph. Yeah, donation. Donation footer. Oh. This. Basically we can push them together. And we definitely. Wait, no, the donation footer is in the card. Right? Or retarded? Yeah, it's in the card. In the card. No, it's not missed. Oh, fucking. Stefan, how is he doing? Oh. Would be smart to have that in own diffs. Just lately. Not good. Class is called 12 and Baxter and we need the general CSS, the margin padding 1. Margin bottom 10 cents. Margin. That. Close the diff. Headache is getting worse. Not good. Really not good. So here we don't need a margin bottom anymore. Don't need that, but here we put 1 and 2. Cut the break. Five. Oh. Wait, we didn't do the styles yet. Donation container, donation card, and donation footer. Or in the bold container, card, and footer. Donation. I don't know why I'm basically doing this, because it's always the same. I mean, I can easily swap it out if I need to. What was the first we did? Ask TMS. Yeah, we have it there as well with Ask TMS card, Ask TMS question. Because the card is basically, it's not always the same. There's not always a thumbnail. But that doesn't matter because the thumbnail is an own element. Okay, let's just throw that in. That's not good. Okay, that works. Undefined variable in file. Okay. Moment you are retarded. Now we're there. Yeah, the picture's missing, obviously. And Lena goal numbers first. I mean, we could just tag the others in the footer. Because we won't need the footer anyhow. Do it like this. And we have a clear thing. Yeah, it looks good. And there will be the image over that, above that. Yeah, good. So, we have 444. 8 is bad. Wait, we have that in donate. We have an 8 in donation? Oh, not in donations, in audience? Not using 8 anyhow. Okay. YouTube is breaking down. 5 chat messages. Yeah, but you need to do all the authorization and stuff. Nah, I'm just not doing this. Maybe another day, but not for this rebirth. Just too complicated for everything. You should not forget that the free API amount that you get is not high. I mean, for Twitch you get 800 tokens an hour, which is quite good, but compared to YouTube, YouTube is nothing if you don't pay for extra stuff. Why is it just super weird? There is one on the left and one on the right. There's none on the left but one on the right, and there's none on the left but none on the right either. Why is the margin so weird? Or maybe that is like some type thing. Could be. I'm ignoring that for now. Okay, so top donator thing. Word? Is really the margin? I don't know. Could be pictures moving as well. Because here there's none. I call it a margin now because it's a fucking gap. Makes no sense. Maybe because it's a border box because of the link. As you can see now, the mistake is basically gone. Now it's gone again, completely. Here on 2540 you can clearly see it. There it's perfect again. But as soon as it's bigger, boop, mistake. Maybe Bootstrap is just not made for 1440p. It could be. But it should not matter actually. I'm wondering when Bootstrap is introducing new container sizes. Because right now XL starts at 1200, which is pictures are the same size. Yeah, they are. Which is the weirdest thing because I have a 1440p screen. That means I'm in the XL if it's half of it. There is no difference if I make it bigger now or not. Like, okay, here's 1200. Oh, because of the scroll bar. Yeah. Super weird. They don't make things bigger. There's no XXL for, I don't know, 1800 pixels or whatever. So for the other web project that I'm doing as well. Why is my webcam fucking up all the time? So for the other project, I have to do so many things with jQuery to make own sizes like 1700 pixels, whatever, because there's just no XXL or whatever. I wonder why there's no dynamic thing like whole minus 1800 minus 12, which means on devices 1800 pixels or wider we have the full width. Why is this not existing? That's okay. So, bringing the software card. Gonna do quite the same here, but with some twists. Just first of all, okay, in here we will have the title. So, oh, we don't have the data yet. Next software, current software is get current destination, get current software destination database. It should return just one line. Good. So in here we will soft add title. Is that? And then below that we'll do, for now, very simple current software. We'll find them. Current. Just put current. Oh. 0. Bloop. Off. 0. Software. And yes. Break. And we're gonna adjust permission to get or decode or participant or user donation string to array. And in here we put current software at donors. Or just donors string to array. Belly hurts as hell. That's not good. Then we do a break. And we say strong donors. Donors to display stuff. I think that is already a link that I was on. Yeah, that's what I look like. Live stream video, no problem. Live chat, there it already starts. You cannot embed the chat without having the damn ID. I mean, I could use the API and do that and that, but still, it's not 100% sure that it works, because if someone is not logged in, they can't use the chat, it will just break the website. Nah, I won't do that. Fuck this shit. That's just too much things to think about right now. To do another web project beside that, I don't have time. So, let's end this source here, because say if donors is not an empty string, then we will equal break and then the donor list. Yes. Where's the fucking Chinese? I never fucking got it until now. Okay, so we need a donor string to display string. Later. I have now to focus on what I have to do now because I have 7 things in mind right now. Donor string. Okay. Yeah. That is explode. The delimiter is a comma, and we will do that. And in $4 is 0. $I smaller than the size of the split array I plus. Nope. I plus. Dollar result is nothing. Result. And I'm out of focus again. So, and here we will say if $I is not equal to 0, $result dot equal a comma and a space. And now we will do $result dot equals split at I, which is the name of the user, plus wrong language dot space open bracket euro space then split at I plus 1, and we'll close the bracket at your bid. Okay. Undefined variable top donators. Top. Oh, obviously this is the wrong thing. This is the wrong card. This is the wrong function. Notice undefined offset 1 in line 30. Where? Oh. Because if there is no split, there will be 1. What we can do is, if split is an empty string, just return result right there. What we can do. Same problem. 31. I'm stupid. Not if split, if string is empty. Split is never empty. Oh god damn it. Yes. Good, and now this should work, that if we go in here and be like, okay, Boneworks, we have Atze with 2 and 2.00, then we have Jan with 1 through 9, whatever. We do it like this, then this should do it perfectly. Yes! I mean, obviously we have to... to have a realistic thing, we would have to have this there. And then it would like this. Nice! And obviously there would not be Connor but Atze. That doesn't matter right now. Okay. Yeah. I think I'm gonna end the stream for today. I will do like the art stuff off stream. Not the art, but this is just a missing thumbnail, but this is art stuff. And yes, because someone's knocking on my window, the food is on. So I'm out, boys. See you guys the next time. Probably tomorrow, I guess. Maybe tomorrow. Just check out rebirth.tms-gaming.com. You will know. Bye bye.